Hey everyone, this is Saki from BdThemes. Welcome to our widget tutorial. This video covers the Verse widget presented by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Verse is a great choice for image blogging websites or making image galleries for WordPress. The widget has Retina-ready graphics adaptability and comes with a unique hover animation that displays the item name, description text if it has any, and an animated read more button. The transitions are so smooth that your visitors are going to love it. The widget makes it possible to create lucrative gallery layouts for a fun experience. This is another demo we prepared for a documentary website on planets. All these are front ends. Okay, now let's see how to customize this gallery widget from the backend. This is the default appearance of the Verse widget. From the layout settings, you can see a grid template field that defines the number of grid columns that shape the content area. There are row gap, column gap, and item height options that work on all gallery items. The two switches below are for showing or hiding the title and text. The element option is for the text content too. You can customize the gallery image dimension from the image size option at the bottom. Last but not least, the link option is for triggering the link function for individual gallery items. Alright, next we have all 6 default gallery items listed inside the items field. Now let's click on the first item box and see the insights. Here you get an image field to insert your gallery image. Let's select one. You can change the image title and below you can change the description texts. You can add more items by simply clicking the Add Item button. What we did here is that we changed all images and basic info of all 6 items on the list. We skipped that part. Then let's add another 2 items and fix their images and other info. Once done, you can go ahead and click on the first item again and go to the grid subsection. Now change the column span to 5 and then the row span to 2. You can adjust the height manually to fit the image according to your desired canvas. Let's go with 600 points. Then minimize the box and hit the next item box. Here we'll keep the settings default but minimize the item height to 340 points. Then go to the third item and squeeze its size by lowering the column span to 3. The height can be as the same as the second item. Now the fourth item can also have 3 column span and a more reduced height. Let's go with 250. The same applies to the next item. Then the rest of the item can stay as they are. Once done with this part, we'll continue on the Style tab for appearance customizations. First, let's go to the content section and change the background color that pops up upon hover. Looks good. Now go to the title section and change the text color to white. Then we can change the typography to customize the font. Next, let's make the text white too. We can reduce the color opacity a bit here. Then go to the Read More section to customize the button. First the background color for normal mode. Check it. Then go to the Hover subsection to apply a different color set for the hover mode. With that, you have just created one of the demo galleries that we have shown earlier in the start. It's quite easy to create such cool WordPress image galleries with Pixel Gallery add-on. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming widget tutorials. Stay safe, see you next time.